Good morning, children of the Most High God. This is Reverend Essie of New Birth Ministries. God bless you this morning. God bless you all day. I would like to read the word to you. If you've been having problems with water, listen to the washing of the word. Isaiah chapter 41, verse 17 to 20. When the poor and needy seek water, and there is none, and their tongue faileth for thirst, I, the Lord, will hear them. I, the God of Israel, will not forsake them. I will open rivers in high places and fountains in the midst of the valleys. I will make the wilderness a pool of water and the dry land springs of water. I will plant in the wilderness the cedar, the shittim tree, and the myrtle, and the oil tree. I will set in the desert the fir tree, and the pine, and the box tree together, that they may see and know, and consider, and understand together that the hand of the Lord has done this, and the Holy One of Israel hath created it. God bless you. Have a beautiful day.